Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon X, and in this lesson we will close this chapter concerning identical words in English and French, and we were talking about the words in English that will end with E-O-N, okay, and that will be the same but if they exist in French, because all the English words ending with E-O-N, well, they don't all exist in French. So that's the first thing that you should keep in mind. And then the second thing is that in some cases we will write in French these words a little bit differently. So few cases like here, would become E, and then Z would become S, okay? So let's continue. Région, régression, relation, relaxation, religion, rénovation, réorientation, réparation, répartition, répétition, reproduction, répulsion, réputation, résolution, respiration, restitution, restauration, restriction, réunification, réunion, révélation, révision, révolution, rotation, salutation, sanction, saturation, sécession, section, séduction, sélection, sensation, séparation, signalisation, signification, simulation, situation, spécialisation, spécification, spéculation, stabilisation, station, stimulation, soumission, succession, suffocation, suggestion, supervision, suppression, synchronisation, télévision, tension, torsion, traction, tradition, transaction, transcription, transformation, transition, transpiration, transportation, union, urbanisation, utilisation, vaccination, valorisation, vaporisation, variation, végétation, version, vibration, victimisation, violation, vision, vocation. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. Then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. facebook.com/imagier.net. And then more material can be found at the following address, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.